Students, so today topic organic chemistry. Overall, organic, inorganic. So organic means with carbon, inorganic means without carbon. Okay, so overall organic and next inorganic. Organic means with carbon. Inorganic means without carbon. So we have discussed about carbon compounds in this lesson, carbon and carbon compounds. Now first hydrocarbons. What is the hydrocarbons? Overall, carbon hydrogen compounds is called hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons is found by carbon and hydrogen elements. Number of hydrocarbons are there. Suppose for example CH4. CH4 is methane. CH4 is methane. So it is a carbon and hydrogen. Next further C6H6, already know that. C6H6. So C6H6 means benzene. So overall it is also the combination of two elements. Okay, so it is a carbon and a hydrogen. So number of hydrocarbons also have there. Okay, suppose for example C2H6, methane, ethane, or C2H2, acetylene, or suppose C2H4, ethylene. Okay, so it is a methane. CH4 is the methane, C2H6 is the ethane, C2H2 acetylene, or it is also called ethine, acetylene or ethine. Next C2H4 means ethylene. Okay, ethylene or ethene. Okay, ethene or ethylene. So overall, these hydrocarbons is mainly formed by hydrogen and carbon elements. So number of examples are there. Suppose for example methane, ethane, or acetylene, or ethylene. So these are all compounds, one of the best example of hydrocarbons. So these hydrocarbons is classified into two types. Number one, saturated hydrocarbons. Second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so hydrocarbons is classified into two types. Number one, saturated hydrocarbons. Second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. So saturated hydrocarbons means these are all components is single bond components. Like example, alkanes. Okay, so saturated hydrocarbons means single bond. Okay, only single bond compounds. Example, alkanes. Next, unsaturated hydrocarbons means multiple bonds, just like a double bond or triple bond compounds. Double bond or triple bond compounds, like a alkenes, alkynes. Okay, alkenes, alkynes. Okay, so overall hydrocarbons is classified into two types. That is number one, saturated hydrocarbons. Second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means single bond components. So for example, alkanes. Second one, unsaturated hydrocarbons means multiple bond components like a double bond or triple bond compounds, alkenes or alkynes. Okay, so these all components is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now we are discuss about saturated hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. So alkanes are hydrocarbons. Overall, alkanes is just like a CnH2n plus 2 formula of compounds. So overall, hydrocarbons means carbon and hydrogen. Already we know that. But CnH2n plus 2 formula of compounds. Formula of compounds is called hydrocarbons. Which hydrocarbons? Alkanes. Okay, so here this like N is equal to 1, 2, 3 we write. Okay, so overall these alkanes contain only single bond. Already we know that. Okay, alkanes contain which bond? Single bond. Suppose for example we write N is equal to 1. We write N is equal to 1. That time C1H2N means 2 into 1 plus 2 CH4. Just like a CH4. C1 or C. Okay, C1 or C. CH4. CH4 means methane. CH4 means methane. Or suppose for example we write N is equal to, that time we write C2H6. C2H6. So ethane. Overall alkanes repeat word ane. Alkane, ane, methane, ane, ethane, ane. Or suppose we write C3H8. C3H8. So it is profane. C3H8 means profane. Or C4H10. Suppose we write N is equal to 4. That time C4H10. 2 4 8 plus 2. 10. C4H10. So it is butane. Okay. Suppose C5H12. So it is octane. C5H12. It is octane. So C6H14. Hexane. C6H14 hexane. Okay, C6H14 is hexane. Okay, suppose C7H16. Suppose we write N is equal to 7. That time C7H16. So it is the heptane. Okay, suppose C8H18, octane. So there are alkanes. Okay, methane, ethane, profane, butane. So pentane, hexane, heftane, octane. Okay, so they are all alkanes. So overall alkanes contain N word. Suppose carbon 1, so that is a meth. 2 carbons we write eth. 3 carbons we write prof. 4 carbons we write but. 5 carbons we write pent. Suppose 6 carbons we write hex. 7 carbons we write hept. 8 carbons we write oct. Suppose one compound contain 4 carbons, that is but. Okay, suppose one compound contain 7 carbons, hept. We are called hept. So meth, eth means 2 carbons, prof C3, prof 3 carbons, but 4 carbons, pent 5 carbons, hex 6 carbons, hept 7 carbons, 8. So oct 8 carbons. Okay, so these are all alkanes. Listen. CnH2n plus 2 formula of compounds is called alkanes. These alkanes contain N word, N word. So these are all components contain single bond, not double bond, single bond. So suppose for example we write N is equal to 1, that is a CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 propane, C4H10 butane, C5H12 pentane, C6H14 hexane, C7H16 heptane, C8H18 octane. So they are all alkanes. So how do we write structure of alkanes? Suppose we have taken CH4 methane. This methane contain only 1 carbon. So carbon must contain how many bonds? 4 bonds. Okay, carbon must contain how many bonds? 4 bonds. So and these alkanes contain only single bond. So bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Carbon attached with the 4 hydrogens with the single bonds. Or suppose we write the C5H12. So it is a pentane. First we write how many carbon? 5 carbons. So carbon. So between carbons we write a bond, single bond. So carbon, carbon is just like a line, just like a chain linkage, chain. Okay, attached with one carbon attached with another carbon has chain. Okay, so how many hydrogen atoms have there? 12 hydrogen atoms. So each carbon contain 4 bonds. Already we know that. Suppose for example this carbon contain 1 bond, remaining 3. So 1, 2, 3. Overall 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Or suppose this carbon, second carbon 1, 2, 2 bonds, remaining 1, 1, 4 bonds. Third carbon contain 2 bonds, remaining 1, 1. Fourth carbon also already 2 bonds, remaining 1. But this carbon only single bond. So remaining 3 bonds. So that time bond. Okay, each carbon contain 4 bonds. So we arrange the hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So it is the structure of pentane. So we write another form also are there. Carbon 1 2 3 CH3. Okay, carbon 1 2 3 CH3 bond carbon HH CH2 bond carbon bond HH CH2 bond carbon bond H CH2 carbon bond H CH3. So overall pentane CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. It is a structure of pentane. Okay, so next further we are discuss remaining topics. Okay.